Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash, and I had a question that was asked from my previous video, and it was, how do you isolate with your left hand? So I'm going to show you guys in this video on different ways to help with isolation. Now you guys can use a straight tweezer for your isolation, or you can use a curved tweezer. So use whatever you are more comfortable with, and it'll make your lashing a lot easier. Now when you're isolating with the left hand, what you want to do is kind of go very close to the base of the lash, and then just start separating the lashes like that. Okay, so again, try to find your lash that you want to work with, go close to the base and separate. Now this will take a bit of time to get used to isolation with the tweezer, and you guys can use a taping technique which will actually help with isolation. With the taping technique, what you want to do is put your tape on the back of your hand to remove some of the adhesive off of it if it's too sticky. And once you've done that, what you want to do is just go underneath the lash and tape it up like so. Now you will see that there's only a few of the natural lashes that hadn't been taped up. Now if you want more natural lashes to work with, you can just go and remove them from the tape and make them pop out like that. And then what you want to do is you want to just put the extensions from there. And once you've put the extensions on these natural lashes, you are going to remove the tape. And then just tape it up again. So another taping technique that you can also do is when you are trying to work in the inner corner, because it is a little bit more trickier to isolate, what you can do is put the tape on the inner corner of the lash and just pull it upwards like that. So the inner corner lashes off of the eye pads. So like I said, isolating with the tweezers does take a lot of time and practice, but if you use the taping technique, it will make your lashing a little bit quicker. Okay, so when you are working on the right eye, one trick that you can do is have your client just move their head to the left a little bit to help you when you're isolating the lashes. So again, you want to go close to the eyelid and then have your tweezers spread out to isolate the lash. Just like that. Now sometimes you're going to have a lash that are going to have multiple natural lashes together. So what you could do is you can have your other tweezer and help out with that to kind of just move it aside. So like that. So again, these two are close together. Just grab your other tweezer and move the lash that you're not going to be working with, and then you can isolate. So just like that, okay? So don't think you only need to use the one tweezer for isolation. You can use both to help you. Now, another trick that you can do is you can get your pinky and you can just hold some of the extension over. And then that will help with isolation also. And then just place the extension on. All right, so I hope you guys liked that video. If you guys have any other questions or see a different type of technique, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to share this with other lash technicians. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy lashing.